Well, investing in debt is a good idea to gain some nice returns, dividends, we call it. It's a good idea, but then you have to be really careful. It's a good way to get fixed income investments, including the debt, providing like a relatively safe investment. If the property is good and everything, and you're in the first position, then debt is a good thing to do. As long as the counterparty, the one who is really taking it from you, financially stable, and debt investments such as bonds or CDs, may offer regular interest payments and, of course, potential for growth also of the underlying value. But therefore, investing in debt can be attractive to investors with a lower appetite for risk. That's how they do it, because they want to put not the investors' money in the second position or limited partnership, but they like to do it to put it in the first hold of the somebody who's buying the property. So then if somebody did not pay, then they take over the asset. I'm sure you have heard about that. In investing in debt, a good idea because of, let's say, 5 strong points. The one is low risk, because debt investment generally has a much lower level of risk than the related investments in equity markets. The second one is predictability, because the interest payments that we are getting on the debt investments are usually fixed, and then providing the investors with the predictable source of income. That's a good one. The third one is the tax benefits. Certain kinds of debt instruments, such as municipal bonds, offer tax benefits to the investors also. That could be very nicely done. And diversity. I love diversity myself, being an investor in real estate for such a long time. Diversity, the debt investments offer the opportunity to diversify an investor's portfolio and reduce the exposure to the risk, actually. And then the fifth one is good returns, because debt instruments can provide good returns in cases where investors has a diversified investment portfolio, and that has taken into account the current interest environment and everything. So that's a good way to really do debt investments.